So this is day one of home-based learning / COVID quarantine. I am Detective Royce, here with my partner,
Detective Sherman.
What are we doing today, Detective Sherman?
We're gonna look for Christmas stuff. We wrote a whole list.
I think what you mean to say is we're going on a nature walk.
Yes.
We're going to be looking for a lizard.
Yes. Let's go look for.
We're going to be looking for a tree with 2 birds on it, a rock as big as your head, stick that's longer than you, something we can eat, something red in color, because that's Detective Sherman's favorite color, and something furry to top it off.
Yeah.
Wish us luck on our expedition.
Yes.
All right, Detective Sherman, what have we found?
We found something red.
Found something red. Let's take a look at it.
We gotta get it.
We found some red little insects crawling around. I don't know if you can see them.
Well, I can.
I don't know. Are they termites? Maybe. Not sure what they look like, but item 1, check. Detective Sherman, what is the next thing that we can check off our list?
Is it turned around over here?
Yeah, it's on you.
We checked 2 birds in a tree.
Yep, we got some major birds going on in trees up here.
They just flied away. But let's get it. Which one was it? This one?
It is, yep, that's right. Tree with 2 birds. Onward, go.
Hello, everyone. We just spotted something furry.
We found our 3rd nature walk item.
See? It's a furry dog.
We found something furry. Oso! Furry dog.
Yeah, one dog. Perfect.
Hey, Oso.
Hey, Oso. He's nice. He's just blind.
Yeah, time to check that bad boy off.
Which one's something furry?
What have we come across, Detective Sherman?
Is it videoing it right now?
Yes.
Okay. We find something to eat on our lizard walk. We found an orange.
Is that something we can eat?
Yes.
Excellent, sir. Check.
That is taller than me.
We have?
Yes, look.
The stick is much longer than Detective Sherman's body, which will take us to a stick that is longer than you. Ta-cha!
Ta! Hey,
We stumbled upon.
a big rock as my head. Let's see if it's big as my head.
Let's see.
If you can lift it.
Yeah, I'm not going to lift that. That's definitely bigger than your head.
Okay.
Woohoo!
Woohoo!
Only one item left.
This
The lizard.
one.